Two different statements are given in this question. We have to choose the correct option based on the given two statements. In the first statement, it is given fluorine is a strong oxidizing agent. This is the correct statement because the most electronegative element in the periodic table is fluorine. So it has a strong tendency to gain electrons and to produce fluoride ions. This high electronegativity and electron affinity makes it very effective at oxidizing other substances. Means it can easily accept electrons from other elements or compounds during a chemical reaction. So they can act as a good oxidizing agent because the substance which undergo reduction is acting as a good oxidizing agent. The second statement is the electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less negative. This is again correct because the electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is indeed less negative compared to some other elements, even though fluorine is highly electronegative. The less negative value of fluorine is due to the high electron-electron repulsion in its small and tightly packed 2p orbital. When a fluorine atom gains an electron, the added electron experiences significant repulsion from the electron already present in the orbital, which partially offsets the energy released by the electron gain. As a result, while fluorine still has a high electron affinity, it is less negative than that of some other elements like chlorine. So both these statements are correct, but the second one is not a correct explanation for the first statement. So we can say option B is the correct answer.